how to connect iPhone 70 series to your MacBook. For that you need to use a USB cable. I already insert my USB to my MacBook. Just insert it to your iPhone. Once it connect, you can see it's charging. Now go back to your MacBook. If you open the finder, then left corner you can see your iPhone. This is iPhone 17. From here you can easily back up your phone or check your update or anything. You can do it from here. For example, you want to take backup, you can take backup from here. Want to transfer music, movie or photo file, etc. Here you can see all the file. But if you want to transfer photo and file, then you need to go your launchpad, and under launchpad you can see the other. Press on other, press on image capture. Now here you can see all of your photos available. For example, you want to transfer any photo or video, then import ACIC, press on import. Then here you can see is import to desktop. You can change your path as well, download, and press on select. And if you want to multi-select, then press on command, then it will be select as multiple. Press on download, then it will be download to your download section. Go to finder, go to download, then here you can see the image is available. So this is how you can easily connect and transfer any file to your iPhone to your MacBook. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.